Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform a backwards loop cast on. If you're familiar with my simple knit cast on, this will look very familiar. I use the backwards loop cast on in a few of my patterns to increase one in the middle of a round. The way that you do this is you wrap your yarn around your fingers just as if you were to cast on at the very beginning of your pattern. So the way that I do it is I take the working yarn, wrap around my index finger, pull my thumb through, and then I take my right hand needle under the bottom strand and over the top strand and let loose. And then tighten to match the gauge of the rest of my stitches. I'll go ahead and knit two and show that once more. So wrap your yarn around your fingers, bring your needle behind the bottom strand, over the top strand, let go, and tighten. So there we go. This stitch here and this stitch here were created using the backwards loop cast on. I hope you found this tutorial simple and easy to follow. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I hope to see you around very soon. Happy knitting!